the first day of our Essence of New Zealand tour. Kia ora, and welcome to Aotearoa, New Zealand. Echoed on arriving for a 20-day tour. Day 1, Tuesday, February 17th. Bound for Ridges, the Latimer, Christchurch. Our tour began in the charming garden city of Christchurch, renowned for its English heritage, lush parks, and innovative architecture. After meeting the tour director and other guests, we boarded the bus to catch the tram. We stepped aboard a beautifully restored heritage tram to discover the city's iconic sights while enjoying drinks and canapes. After this beautiful tram journey, traversing this beautiful city, we mingled and had a splendid dinner, getting to know the other 26 of us on this much-anticipated tour. Discover Christchurch. More of Christchurch. Streets and buildings of Christchurch. Rivers and gardens.